I met Suman about 10 years ago. I thought he was a journalist.
Suman Chatterjee joined Voice of America Bangla service around 1980-81. At that time, we did not know that Suman was a singer.
I liked him because he knew what was his priority. He was working with us, very serious, but he had his own hobby of music. I knew he was collecting all these, synthesizer and music equipments which he wanted, and he has a dream. He had a dream.
Voila. Suman, this is Pete Seeger, and I don't know when we're going to see each other in person again. I hope, before too long. But in any case, this guitar goes to you, my love, and I know you are going to keep on making up songs and reaching the people wherever you are.
Now it would be kind of funny to thank you, Pete, for the guitar. Well, as you can see, I'm holding the guitar, I'm holding you, and I'm holding on to our music. And I guess you know how much I owe you. And it's nice to hold the guitar. It's nice to have the guitar here. Should I say I'm proud of it? I just love it. Only thing is that, look at it, it's so big and my hands are so small. And it's very difficult to grip chords, to hold chords. So I'm learning it all over again. And I'm still at 46, learning to handle music just like you.
Where have all the flowers gone? Long time passing. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time ago. Where have all the flowers gone? Girls have picked them, every one. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn?
I adapted the song poem, the lyric, when I at 17, at age 17 or 18, I guess. Yes, I was 18 years old, and I even added my own stanza at the end, like. Pete's song ends like this: where have all the soldiers gone to graveyards, everyone? When will they ever learn? And they hear the great, wonderful song, probably one of the best songs ever written by anyone under the sun, ends. I had this feeling, and I was quite young, that there's a missing stanza. And what is it? That flowers grow out of the graves.
Pete, I've added these lines to your song. Shari shari ore bithal matite আছে তাদের খবর shari shari ore খবর bithal matite আছে তাদের খবর তারপরে বহুদিন অনেক দিন পরে
Many years later, I told Pete, when I accidentally met him in the United States, that I had done this. I don't know whether he still remembers it, but he was very happy, like a child. He said, that you did the right thing, because you would add a stanza on your own. Someday, I would add a stanza on my own to your song, and the song would grow globally.
I met Suman about 10 years ago. I thought he was a journalist.
Suman Chatterjee joined Voice of America Bangla service around 1980-81. At that time, we did not know that Suman was a singer.
I liked him because he knew what was his priority. He was working with us, very serious, but he had his own hobby of music. I knew he was collecting all these, synthesizer and music equipments which he wanted, and he has a dream. He had a dream.
He wanted to visit Nicaragua and speak to Ernesto Cardenal, a great poet, a Catholic priest, and also at that time Minister of Culture in the Sandinista government. Well, I was fortunate to be able to help him reach Cardenal, and we got a visa for him. And Suman wrote a whole book, all in Bengali, about Nicaragua.
After I went to the United States, it was in 1980. Actually, from day one, I thought that I was so close to Nicaragua and I should go to Nicaragua and get to know about the mechanisms of revolution. What is a revolution in the first place? How does it look like? I was with the VOA, Voice of America, and it was Reagan's America, very difficult times, which only fueled my dream even more.
আমি ভিটে মাটি ছেড়ে এসেছি মহান টাকা পয়সার দেশে, এই দুনিয়া সর্বনেশে এরা সাগর ডিঙিয়ে বোমা ফেলে আসে, বীর পুরুষের বেশে মরে কখনো